It takes away so much of your life, and it's horrible. It's particularly horrible in LA.
Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to another video. Imagine being the world's first trillionaire overcoming Jeff Bezos. So there are a lot of billionaires in the world, and you probably know one or two of them. There's Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Aliko Dangote, Warren Buffett, and Elon Musk, among others. While these men are all successful above their peers, Elon Musk, worth $38.9 billion, is the one among them thought to be the most likely to become the world's first trillionaire. Here is why. After Tesla shares reached $100 billion, targets started to reach trillion-dollar levels. Elon Musk is undoubtedly one of the most important factors behind this success. Will Elon Musk be the world's first trillionaire?
Yeah, it's a good question. I think probably a lot of people don't realize I'm basically just in the factory in design or engineering meetings.
Tesla, whose shares have more than doubled in 4 months, recently became the second most valuable automobile manufacturer in the world after Toyota. Of course, after this success, the eyes turned to Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Elon Musk, who owns a large part of Tesla's shares, has the chance to be the first trillionaire in the world according to some. Elon Musk is one of the most famous entrepreneurs in the world that has achieved great success and has reached a huge fan base over the years. While some followers on social media continue to make bullish predictions of Elon Musk or Tesla, it is being discussed whether the Tesla CEO can be a trillionaire. Elon Musk has led Tesla to successfully pioneer the electric car. Will Tesla also propel Elon Musk as a potential candidate for the position of the world's first trillionaire? It might seem like a stretch with Elon Musk's current net worth of $29.8 billion and so many competitors ahead of him, but it's time for the future potential of his countless projects that some believe he has a fighting chance at taking the title.
I mean, the essential elements of an AI neural net are really very similar to
According to the share, if Tesla reaches all its goals and a market value of $650 billion, Elon Musk will have approximately 30% of the company and $195 billion net worth of shares. So Musk will be the richest person in the world. According to this table, Elon Musk can reach a trillionaire title over time. However, considering the figures, Musk, whose net worth is $22 billion now, will have to increase his efforts more if he reaches this big target. In terms of productivity and turnout rates, Tesla firmly lags in its output compared to similar automobile companies. Volkswagen produced 30-to-1 Tesla cars last year, but are nevertheless lurking below Tesla in valuations. Tesla, with its recent market valuation, is now considered more valuable than the 3 German automobile companies BMW, Volkswagen, and Daimler. Talk about putting money where your mouth is. Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla, an electric car manufacturing company. Recently, Tesla earned the distinction of being the most valuable United States automaker in history. The company is worth $86.5 billion as of now, a record high for US automakers. The company even beat out much older automaker Ford. Currently, the company has a program in place that, if successful, will raise its value to $650 million over 10 years. If the program is successful, Elon Musk will own $184 billion of Tesla stock alone. That would already make him richer than Jeff Bezos, the current richest man at the moment. But that still doesn't make him a trillionaire, though. It's a new capitalist age, and you don't necessarily need to turn out huge earnings to shoot up stock values. Tesla might just be the quintessential epitome of that. Certainly not, except of course in centavos. If Elon Musk must be the first trillionaire in the next few years, then Tesla's valuation must shoot up dozens of times than its current one.
It takes away so much of your life, and it's horrible. It's particularly horrible in LA.
SpaceX is a well-known aerospace company that builds rocket engines and develops private space vehicles. It's an aerospace company, so as you can imagine, it's worth a lot. The company is worth $33 billion. SpaceX has revealed that the company has intentions to colonize Mars, create private space flights, and resume astronaut space flights. The company's Starlink program, however, is what could soon raise its worth exponentially. Starlink is a satellite program that is intended to provide high-speed, low-cost internet across the globe. An independent firm estimated SpaceX will be worth $120 billion in the next couple of years. And that's just because of the Starlink program. Elon Musk owns 54% of SpaceX stock. We're still not up to $1 trillion though. Elon Musk owns 90% of his company, The Boring Company, which bores holes and sells flamethrowers. The company intends to dig high-speed underground tunnels that'll connect Los Angeles and Seattle. The system will only be accessible to electronic vehicles. At even a charge of $5 per ruse, that's a lot of users and a lot of money for Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the majority owner of Neuralink, a brain-computer interface program. Most of the company's research is kept from the public. Elon Musk founded this company that aims to create helpful AI. Microsoft invested $1 billion in the company in 2019, which should give you some confidence in their work. Musk's current net worth, estimated to be about $23 billion, would most likely not be beating Jeff Bezos in the next few years. If we can, however, for a minute, just jump on the Musk train and believe in the cosmos colonization spearheaded by Elon Musk, believe he's knocking Bezos off the peak, and that's to assume that if the bullish surge somehow materializes, Musk by this time still owns 30% of Tesla, then of course, he beats Bezos with a new net worth of $195 billion. That's to assume, of course, that Bezos' valuation remains stagnant over the years. So, the only way it would even be possible for Elon to reach that number would be for not only Tesla, but all of his other ventures to do extremely well. Lastly, we would like to reiterate that Elon Musk is not motivated by money. Elon Musk uses his wealth to make a difference to mankind. Yes, he makes billions, and deservedly, but he invests his billions for other projects as well. From Tesla to Neuralink, from Starlink to The Boring Company, and for us, the ever-exciting SpaceX. Our only wish is that we live long enough to witness his many inventions and projects. Well, that about brings us to the end of our video. So what do you guys think of Elon Musk's chances of becoming a trillionaire? Give us all your thoughts in the comments section below, and also hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so we'll keep you up to date on whether or not Elon Musk has become a trillionaire by then. Until next time guys, take care and goodbye.